Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on your YouTube account. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you have already installed the YouTube application, go ahead and open it up. And once the application is opened up, if you haven't already logged into your YouTube account, click on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then use your Google account to log into YouTube. After logging into your YouTube account, you will be taken back into the dashboard, from which, if you wish to turn off restricted mode, click on your account icon from the bottom right once again. Then from your account page, click on the settings icon, which is the gear icon from the top right corner. Now from the settings page, click on general and then scroll down and you will find the restricted mode option. Now this will be turned on by default, so if you wish to turn this off, simply click on the toggle and the restricted mode on your device and YouTube account will be turned off. Now you can go back to the application and enjoy YouTube without any age restriction. If you wish to turn back this setting at any time, you can go back to your account menu and back into the settings page, and from the general tab you can once again turn on restricted mode. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off restricted mode on your YouTube application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.